What's up, everybody? This is the concert A scale video for B flat instruments. So this is for clarinet and bass clarinet and trumpet and tenor sax. If you are not one of those instruments, you're in the wrong place. Go find your video. All right, so first let's label it, and some of you skip this step, so don't skip this step. It's the A concert scale. This is me getting texts. And so we've got that. You are transposing instruments, so we got to figure out your starting pitch. So if it's A concert, you always go 2 clicks counterclockwise. So we're from A to E. So your first note is B for the A concert scale. You could do C flat, but that's 7 flats. So we'll do B. So I go down here to the bottom of the page and write letter names. It starts with B. Then I go alphabetical order. And there's no H, so I start over again at A, and I get there. Then I need to know sharps or flats. So again, right over here, we're going sharps. We're going this way and adding sharps. So this was 0 sharps up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this B that I've now made a disaster of is the 5 sharps there. Okay, so 5 sharps. The order of sharps is the same as the order of flats, but backwards. So the B, Bijikif goes backwards, F, C, G, D, A, E, B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharps are those 5 right there. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. And for a lot of you, you'll want to say, well, A sharp is the same as B flat. So you think of it that way. That gets confusing real fast if you're actually reading in that key, because then you have a B flat and a B. And so then anytime you see a B on the page, you don't know what to do. So don't do that. Just call it an A sharp and learn it. Okay, so we go from B to B with 5 sharps. Now we got to draw some key signature action. So draw our treble clef down here. And again, the order of sharps on the key signature should be the same as it was before. So it goes F, C, G, D, A, E, B. That was our F, C, G, D, G. There was only 5 of them here. So 5 sharps, I go F, C, and the G goes up above the staff here, and then a D, and the A goes down here. And then my dog barks in the middle of my video, so we go over here and say, hi, Quinn. And now we've got our sharps, then we need a starting pitch. So who do we have here? Clarinets. You're going to start there. And tenor sax will also start on that B. And then down here would be the trumpets and the bass clarinets, starting on that low B there. Trumpets, it'd be cool if some of you were starting up here on this one, but you don't have to. Okay, so now we have starting pitch. We have all of our sharps. We have letter names. So then we go 3rd page and start to plug in a key signature. So then I pop over to school. That's not Schoology. Hi, how's it going? Go over to Schoology. There's this fingering charts folder. And I grab, I don't know, let's say I was a trumpet player. And I'm going to screenshot that guy. Go back over to Notability. Let's plug this photo in. Which one is trumpet? This one. And resize it so that it, oh my gosh, iPad dude, just work. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight fingerings. So remember our letter names that we had up here, like this. I'm using those letter names to go on this fingering chart. So I find a B natural, not a B flat, B. And then it said C sharp. And then it said D sharp. Then E. And there was F sharp. G sharp. A sharp. And then B natural again. So notice I did it in the correct octave based on where my starting pitch was on this page, and highlighted all these notes. If you hear my dog sniffing my face just there. And that's all you've got. So you've got a fingering chart, you've got a key signature, you've got letter names. You're ready to turn this thing in and start practicing. All right.